Hello and welcome to Profit Channels. This is the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, although I may be a CPA Monday through Friday. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I'm trying to highlight some interesting financial potential opportunities. Hope you enjoy. Hello. All right, so today we're going to talk about wheat, WEAT. This basically tracks the price of wheat. And this is the monthly log scale chart of wheat. And I like this channel. On this side, we got some nice touches. But down here, there's 3 in a row. And the midpoint line is well respected. So I like this channel. We are quite a ways from the moving averages. And I feel like it's starting to level out here. But there's also another channel forming, I believe. Here we go. Maybe not. Aha. Okay. So if I connect the bottoms here, if this is the bottom, and I connect the tops here, cutting off the tails, we have another channel and some interest here on the midpoint line. It's respected here, maybe, but it's coming real close, so it's decent. We'll see. Let's put both of these down. And look at the weekly. All right, here on the weekly, we can see that we're below the short-term point of control right here, this black line. So this is volume by price here, and you can see that the longer-term point of control is clearly right here, and we're well below that. We're well below these moving averages. It's kind of pinching in here, and I've been getting in through here, and I'm expecting to see a bounce. Here's we come out here, you can see that this line right here, put this in, that is that will be long-term resistance right there. Shorter term, I think we're looking, at this line here. You can see how it was support, and then it became resistance. So we are way down there. Now let me put in Fibonacci. So if I go from the bottom to the top to the bottom, see if this is the bottom. I like this fib chart here. I think we're good to move higher on wheat. So 0.5 works out real nice. There's some strength right there. You can see that. Look at this large bar of strength right there on the 0.5, 0.618. You can see how that is that's resistance. A lot of battling on it right there. And it's also higher volume. The 786 is not hitting it perfect, but it lines up with this long-term volume. And then finally the 1, that's perfect. We'll get there, I don't know. Someday for sure. So let's go into the day view. And we can really see this thing pinching in nicely. If you were to look at this triangle, and technical analysis would be something like this. You take that distance here where this triangle basically started. If we say this is the bottom, it puts us right here at the point of control, coincidentally, short-term point of control. So, I'm thinking this $5.80 is a good short-term goal. Again, I've been jumping in through here at different points, putting little small bits, waiting for this to break. And so let's look at this on our other charts here. So here's the monthly, and what I have on this chart here is the parabolic SAR, which are these blue and red arrows saying get in and get out. And then the super trend, which is more long term. You can see the buy and the sell. So this is to both sell. RSI's pretty ugly. Squeeze momentum looks, very not enthusiastic. And MACD, longer term, it's trying to break up. If I take it to the weekly, we have a buy now with the SAR strategy, but we've had a lot of them. The super trend is still in the sell. We can look up here, and so this is positively trending RSI. I would say squeeze momentum is getting less crappy. And if we look at the MACD, it's a general upward trend. So it feels like we're in an accumulation phase right through here, and we're ready to make a turn. Go to the weekly, and oopsie, we're both cells here. RSI is in the short term heading down, but again, trending up. Squeeze momentum. It was headed up, and now it's got a little downturn, even though we have, we got a nice tail on that candle. And our, again, MACD's a little down, but hopefully it's going to be going up. There's a lot of hope here, but I think, this triangle tells you a lot. Let's look at the weekly again. We're really, hopefully we're finding a higher low here. This is a pretty bearish candle, but I think this is could come down here, but I think we're getting ready to break out. All right, well, that's wheat. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you later. Hello, and welcome to Profit Channels. This is the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, although I may be a CPA Monday through Friday. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I'm trying to highlight some interesting financial potential opportunities. Hope you enjoy.